Yes. Yeah.
Rich! Rich! She bought me these expensive fishing. So, I took off work.
Jeff. Yes. And hit. All three hits.
Jade.
Jake. Norman, that was a miss, right? Yeah. Hit. 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 Messy with all the cake. Hit. 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 Miss. Miss. Hit.
I don't know where that one goes. You should have done.
Hit. Miss.
Blow. And so.
Still left, come right to me quick.
All the trouble that we gave, and all those days we spent about the lake. Has it all gone to waste? All the promises we made.
He's going in.
Still going? That's a hit. Round of three's a hit.
It's not terrible.
Hit. Hit.
The other guys.
Oh.
Party house.
Alright, see fire. Everybody open your phones and back up.
Now it all seems so clear. There's nothing left to fear. So we made our way by
Here, you're just.
That's cool, bro.
I got one more here, sir.
Yeah,
so ready to go.
I got them down there.
where the big sign.
I might have to have them.
Miss.
Casey.
Casey! Mark, you're up. Hit! Hit!
Not your old
Time just seems to fly, but the memories remain. In the middle of September, we still play.
You know what size the target? Yeah, it's 19.5 by 40. Miss!
Click on that. Like rest it on something.
Miss just low. You missed to the right side.
Casey.
Casey, you're up.
Than I did last week. Last month.
Miss.
My ass is shooting this little gun. Now she's this big gun.
Miss.
So he's sabotaging.
Oh, yeah.
So don't listen to him.
Well, he's
Miss.
not gun anymore. Our
Wow, I haven't seen you.
Chief compares everything else.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna shoot. Yep.
In case you don't shoot yet, you hit a spot ago.
Norman, that was a miss, right?
Yes, sir.
Range on this one.
Miss. Yep.